So this is Satellite Les Halles. See the Aria trains. So I have to get down at next stop, Garuda North. You can see light is blinking. So there are several connections, metro connections, Aria connections also from there. I got down this from train. I got down from this train. This is RERB. So it is going to Parles CDJ airport. I have to go out for my lunch in Indian. This is again to take Eurostar, Hall 1, Hall 2. But I have to go out. So I have to. This is RERB DE Metro 4-5. So that is HK Metro. So I have to look for a route to go out. So I think this is the one. This is Garuda North. You can see. So this is again Eurostar departures and Brussels departures. All trains. So Hall 1, Hall 3, Hall 3B, 3A, 3B. So excellent. I came yesterday from this route. This is Garuda North station. SNCF is French Airlines. Sorry, French. Route is all Indian restaurants. Like Sharana Bhavan, Arya Bhavan, Indian Pure Vegetarian Restaurant Sharan Bhavan. I will go to Sharana Bhavan. So last time I have visited in the year 2013 when I came Paris. Now I will go again. This is Sharana Bhavan. Sharana Bhavan. I will have Indian. Chapati is 7 pounds, 7 euros. We get 3 pieces and 2 curries at 3 p.m. Now I am going to take Metro 4. I am going to Roland Garros. First time. Okay.
Job try.
So this is Metro 4. So I have to take this metro and change to 10. So I have to take this from Garuda North. I have to take this 4 and I have to get down at Odeon. So from Odeon I have to change 10, Metro 10 and to go to Roland Garros. This is Metro stop Garuda North. Driver. Metro. So I have to get down at Odeon. There is no driver for this metro. This is Metro number 4. So no driver is on.
Okay.
So this is 4. So I got down at 4. This is Odeon stop. So now I have to take M10, Metro 10 to go to Roland Garros. So now I have to take this Metro 10 from Odeon and I have to get down at 4TT OTL. So like a 7-8 stop. Same Odeon, but this is line number 10. Another 2 minutes you can see the train will come. So this is Metro 10. Metro 10. I am going to Roland Garros Stadium. French Open. This is Metro number 10. I am going to Roland Garros Stadium. I got down from this train. Metro number 10. So this stop is Porte D OTL. So here is a Roland Garros Stadium close to this metro stop. So I just walk to Roland Garros Stadium. I'll spend some time there and I will come back and take this metro again. This is beautiful Paris city again at this stop. Just I came out and see the Paris. Beautiful. See the beautiful trees. Excellent vibes. So Roland Garros, one person said I have to take this way. So there is a big confusion. This is the bus station, Porte D OTL bus station. So where the metro stop is there. So from here actually I have to take 132 bus, but I will ask the driver. So because it is 1.5 kilometers, so better to take bus to save my energy. This is the bus station, bus number 88, super buses. Bus number 32 going to Gardi East, all electric. So 100% electric buses. See the color combination. So they are excellent. In return, if possible, I will take the bus so that I can enjoy city. I can view the city, entire Paris city. This is Paris, beautiful Paris. This is Carrefour. This is number one retail chain in France, like Tesco's in UK and Walmart in US. So this is number one, Carrefour. We find it everywhere. So we see toilets everywhere like this. So very convenient, and also drinking water like this. So it is very convenient, and they are everywhere in Paris. This is a highway in Paris. So that is going to Charles de Gaulle Airport, Versailles, Rouen. You can see motorway, A14, A15, A1. So this is going out of, I think, city. Beautiful highway. Get started. This is a drop-off area for guests. These are gate 54. So these are the stadiums or practice. So this is gate 54. So this Roland Garros started. So from here, this is gate 52. I think volunteers are coming, ball girls, ball boys. So I think they have a session, training session maybe, because from 18th, today is 16th. So from 18th French Open is going to start, just day after tomorrow. But I am leaving day after tomorrow at 8:20. I am leaving Paris and going to Geneva, Switzerland. So I can't stay here for Roland Garros. Maybe wrong timing. See the beautiful stadium, Roland Garros main stadium, tennis. This is the entrance, main entrance, but it is closed. I can't go. Players are practicing. So these are open grounds. Red, you can see red soil, clay court. So it is famous for clay court. This French Open, and Rafael Nadal is a king in French Open. These are all different courts, and see the stadium. Court 2, beautiful road in front of, just beside this Roland Garros stadium. The beautiful trees, houses, excellent. Looking like Paris. So this is the center court, I think. So access is not there because from 18th, day after tomorrow, French Open is going to start. See how beautiful it is, center court. Court Philippe Charter. Highway again, same highway. I am going back to metro stop or bus stop. I will take either bus to Gardi East, or I will take metro 9 or 10.
ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.